How to kill Asian longhorned beetles. Asian longhorned beetles infest and destroy hardwood trees by transmitting a fungus that causes Dutch elm disease. They are a pest that is not native to the United States. The beetle is transported from China to the United States through shipments encased in hardwood. Measures have been taken to fumigate these shipments, but due to the large amount of trade with China, catching every hitchhiking pest is proving difficult. Killing Asian longhorned beetles will protect your non-infested hardwood trees. You must remove infected trees to protect the healthy ones. Things you'll need: chainsaw, wood chipper, matches. Identify hardwood trees that are infested by Asian longhorned beetles. Look for the beetle on maples, horse chestnuts, poplars, willows, elms, mulberries and black locust. The Asian longhorned beetle can be identified by its very long antenna and bullet-like body. Saw the tree down. Use the chainsaw and enlist friends and family to speed up the process. Grind the stump with the chainsaw if possible. Position a wood chipper to dispense wood chips in a location suitable for burning. Place all the wood from the tree into the wood chipper and chip the wood. Do not leave debris behind. Burn all the wood from the tree. Burning the wood will kill all stages of the Asian longhorned beetle's life cycle. Tips: warnings. Do not attempt to cut down a tree. Use a wood chipper or control a fire if you are not comfortable doing so. Contact a professional to assist you if you need help.